guys, in this video I will show you how you can add products to your store on Wix. It's really quick, easy and simple. So first what you need to do here, you need to go to App Manager and add Wix stores. So Wix store should be installed and it will take you a few minutes to do so. And then on the App Manager you should see Wix stores and then manage button. So press on it and you should end up on this little pop-up. And then the next step what you need to do here, you need to press on manage products, and then you will be redirected to another window. And now I need to wait until the page boots up, but it will be very quick. As you can see here, it's loading products, and of course you will have some default ones when you basically just creating new site on Wix. And as you can see here, there is default ones, but on the right side there is new products. Press on it and then you can select physical or digital files. So for example, let's select physical, and here we wait for a few seconds again. Here you can add photos, you can put titles and other price and other important info, right? So guys, that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care.